Welcome to the estates of Forrest Hills, right here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We can't wait to show you this amazing home today. This video is brought to you by the Living in Central PA team, as well as Wendell Hoover, both with Iron Valley Real Estate of Central PA. Let's turn it over to Josh to show you this home.
Welcome to the estates of Forrest Hills and this beautiful Tudor traditional behind me, offering almost 6,000 square feet of livable square footage. I'm standing here on this elevated, beautiful stone patio overlooking the Susquehanna Valley. A great wooded area provides privacy to this home, but you're also in a very nice neighborhood and walkable neighborhood, so you've got the best of both worlds. You'll notice behind me as we enter this amazing turreted entrance, stone entrance. So come on inside and let's show you this spectacular house. Come on in. As you enter, the first thing that you'll notice are these gorgeous hardwood floors, barrel ceiling, 8-foot doors, and an open atrium leading up to the second floor, leading into your formal living room with coffered ceilings. As you come in, to your left, you'll have your formal dining room with double doors out to your patio where we started our tour. There's also an office space or a den, which is currently being used as the children's playroom. Again, beautiful views from the window space here. Double doors will lead you into your den, office / playroom area, as is the case in this situation, and you'll see the beautiful views here again of the Susquehanna Valley. Moving through, you'll have your pocket doors, which lead into your formal living room. Glass paneled pocket doors. This room is gorgeous with its coffered ceilings, recessed lighting, stone fireplace, and of course framed by these beautiful glass 8-foot doors that walk out to the patio and your courtyard. So between this room and the outdoor courtyard, incredible opportunities for entertaining guests and relaxing in privacy. I'll move along through the living room here into our designer kitchen, framed with this gorgeous stone archway. Beautiful Viking appliances. You've got your stacked double oven, of course your refrigerator and freezer, granite countertops, country craft cabinetry, and your Viking stove, your range. All of this leading into your eat-in kitchen area, again with beautiful views of the stone patio and courtyard. All right, let's move out of the kitchen into the first floor bedroom through this little pantry area, which is very cool. You've got your glassware here. You can prepare some drinks here on the granite countertop. You've got your wine fridge, and of course the entrance to the finished basement where we'll take you in just a bit. Another shot of the beautiful formal dining room with the double doors going out to the courtyard, incredible views. And let's move back this way. Convenient laundry on the first floor is going to be located right over here, as well as your entrance to your 3-car garage. Little mudroom area here with benches and cabinets. Coat closet. Master bath on the first floor. You've got a half bath straight ahead. And of course, the master, again with double doors leading out onto the courtyard. Every room on the first floor has these double door access points and large windows looking out to this beautiful courtyard. So it's a constant backdrop to this house. 10-foot ceilings here. You really feel the expanse of these rooms when you walk through. Master bathroom, gorgeous soaking tub, again with views of the outside, and a large corner standing shower with tile. Double vanity, double sink, and check out this walk-in closet. Let's take a look upstairs. On the second floor, we have 4 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 guest room. All of the rooms have walk-in closets. If you walk down this hallway with me, you'll see a great office area located just above that stone turret that we entered through. So you see the curvature of this room, the tray ceiling, and the great views of the Susquehanna Valley. Great place to focus, do some work, some studying. Coming downstairs now into a beautiful, fully finished 2,100 square foot basement. Perfect for recreation and leisure. It really offers everything. So through these double doors, you're going to have a full workout gym with a rubber composite floor, weight rack, mirrors, just perfect for really any sort of workout that you would want to do. And that loops back around through this doorway into the TV room area with built-in cabinetry and the pillars, of course. And again, with the ping pong table and all the children's toys, you just have plenty of space down here for the whole family to be entertained. There's also a full bathroom. There's an unfinished area that contains the furnace, water heater, and storage. But this is your beautiful finished basement. Okay, last but not least, we want to take you out back and show you the beautiful backyard, starting with this stone patio covered seating area. This is about just over an acre of land that they have here. So come on outside and let's take a look. On your stone patio, you've got nice patio furniture, a TV, a beautiful stone fireplace. You can really entertain to the fullest out here. You come down a couple of steps, you have your grill and your prep area. Again, another seating area with an open field. The owners of this home were planning on installing a pool, so there is plenty of room for that if you would like to do that yourself. So let's take a further look. Thank you so much for joining us on this home tour here in the estates of Forrest Hills. This gorgeous traditional Tudor home is still on the market at a price tag of $1,150,000. If you're interested in setting up a tour for this home or any other, whether it's in our portfolio or anywhere throughout Central PA, please reach out and we'll get a showing set up, answer any questions that you have. Our information is in the description below. It is our job to help you make a smooth move to the area. Until next time, we'll see you.